Hello Saxo friends, Kadrian here, the Sax Habit Coach, bringing you the best practice tips, tools and ideas to help you as a beginner saxophone player develop the practice habits and routines to master your saxophone faster. Now my purpose is to serve, motivate and to inspire you. So if it's your first time here, hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell and remember to give us one of these so that YouTube can share this content with people who are trying to be as awesome as you. Alright, let's get into the tutorial of showing you how to play Adele's Easy on Me on the alto saxophone. So alto players, we are in the key of D major. So we only have two sharps to worry about. F sharp, which is 1, 2, 3, and your middle finger. Oh yeah, the middle finger, okay? So right there is your F sharp and then everything open for your C sharp, and all the other notes are natural if you know how to play your scales. All right, so how we're going to do this tutorial is that we are going to learn it phrase by phrase. Now it doesn't matter if you don't sight read music, as I'll put the notes on the screen, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp and so on. All right, so we're going to do each part 2 times and then we are going to continue from there. Alternatively, if you want the sheet music for this tutorial, you can check the link in the description below. So we are going to play each phrase twice. So after the intro for 3 bars, then you have 3 counts and then you come in. And so we're going to play each phrase 2 times and then move to the next phrase. Here we go. There ain't no gold. Again. In this river. Again. That I've been washing my hands, all right? One more time. In forever. Again. I know there is hope. In these waters. But I can't bring myself to swim when I am drowning. Here we go. One more time. Then in this silence, baby, let me in. Again. Then we're going to the chorus. Oh, go easy on me, baby. Here we go. Again. I was still a child. Again. Didn't get the chance to. Then we're going to feel the world around me. I had no time to choose. What I chose to do. So go easy on me. Again. All right, so that's how you play that. So here we go. I'm going to put on my metronome and I am just going to play through all of that part once. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. All right, Saxo friends, so that is how you play all of that part. Now, if you want me to do the full tutorial here on YouTube, then drop me 2,000 likes and I'll do the full tutorial. Otherwise, you can check the link in the description below for the full tutorial at kadrianthomas.com. www.kadrianthomas.com. And if you want the sheet music for your alto saxophone, your tenor, or your soprano saxophone, it's in the link in the description below. Until then, see you, and as always, push play until something happens. Peace.